Today once again we are here, set number 4, term 1, computer science, Cbse class 12th, computer science in Python, sample paper number 4 today. So start. First question is that, just zooming over here. Okay, so now first question is that identify the valid arithmetic operator in Python from the following. So what is valid arithmetic operator? This is the valid arithmetic operator, square operator. Now question number 2, list 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 7, 31, 5 and list 2 of 1. So which of the following represent the data type of L2? So this is the L1 and this is the L2. So we are talking about which of the data type of L2. So this is the tuple type, because we are seeing the data L1 and L2 is the tuple type data. Okay, now question number 3. What will be the output for the following code? Create a list 0, 1, 2, 3. Now print 3, 2 of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, list number 3. Okay. So now 0, 1, 2. So now 2 to 4. 2, 3. So answer is that 10 and 11. A. Now question number 4. If the file reside in a directory folder other than the one in which you are using for the Python code, or the current working directory you have to provide, so answer is that C, absolute path. Question number 5. To add a string 1 to a binary file, new file.bin, to which of the following will be the correct code? So answer is that D, both B and C. B right and C is the right. Okay, now question number 6. Shaurya wants to check the content of various text file by reading the first 10 characters of the file. So which would be the best option for him? So various text file reading the first 10 characters. So which would be the best? Read C. Okay, so now question number 7. JS has a text file poem.txt in the creative folder C drive. Identify the correct code for him to open the file in read mode. C drive, creative folder, poem.txt, creative poem.txt, C drive, creative poem.txt. So which one is the right in that manner? So this one is right, this one is right, and this one also right, and this one also right. So all of the answer number D. Question number 8. If the code requires the user input to be a whole number, we need to use which function along with the input function? So whole number we need use, so integer will be there. Okay, answer is the A. Now question number 9. Given the following code X, Rose, Lily and Jasmine, what will be the output of the following? Print 1, print Jasmine in X, print 2, Rose not in X. So what is true and what is false? So now both 1 and 2 are false, because X of Rose, Lily and Jasmine. So Rose is here, Lily is here, and Jasmine is here. So X in and X not in. So both are here. So question number 9 is both 1 and 2 are false. Now question number 10. Given the following tuple 3, 0, 1, 2. So which of the following statement will raise an error? So what will be the error? So you know that this one is showing the index position, a print. Okay, tuple 1 of 3. Okay, 1 of 3, so 15. Tuple is a immutable, so we cannot add. Question number 10 D. Now, which of the following statement is false for binary files? Question number 11. Unpickling is done by using pickle.dump. AE. Pickling is the process where a Python object. Yeah, is the false value of that one. Okay, now Bani has written the following code: file pointer open text file pointer dot read. What will be the output of tail? Tail always show the current position of the pointer, you know that. So question number 12, answer is that, okay, 8. So current position 8. Okay, now question number 13, a process where a byte stream is converted into an object. A process where byte stream is converted into object. Pickling, unpickling, deserializing, and both. Oh yes, unpickling and deserializing. So question number 13 of D. Okay, now Nihal wants to read the last 40 character of a binary file. What should be the reference point in the seek functions he write in the code? Question number 14, answer is that C2. Okay, the parameter used in the function definition are called formal, actual, default, and keyword. Formal parameter will be used. Question number 16, which of the following function header is correct? Def is name Delhi city. Okay, name Delhi city, each city, name city. This is the following. A. So question number 16, answer is a right. Question number 7, a block of code named by the user for a specific purpose is. Okay, so built-in functions, module, library. Yes, block of code for user-defined functions. Okay, now 18, which of the following statement is not true for CSV file? This. So what is the answer of this one? CSV file are a special text file. This is not true. Okay, question number 19, which of the following is correct way to open the CSV file? So what is the correct way to open read and write mode? Detail.csv new line. What is the correct way? My file open detail.csv ab new line. This is not because open the CSV file to read and write mode. Okay, so my file open detail.csv a new file. Yes, one which open the CSV detail.csv. Yes, that is the right one. Append. Okay. C is the right answer of this one. Now D. Pragya has a spreadsheet in which she has stored the results of her research finding. She wants to read this data and store it in a database using a Python program. So which is the best way to store this file? Question number 20, finding a Python store a database using this file. So question number 20 answer will be as a CSV file, D. Now question number 21, Vanya wants to read content from a CSV file in Python program. So she imported the CSV module. Which of the following method is correct? Options. So question number 21, answer is that B, reader. Now question number 22nd, after writing a Python program to create a CSV file, he now uses the following code in her program: CSV open.new line. So he now gives the name student record Python, which file are generated. If one is student CSV and one is py. So answer is that 1 and second, first and second, both file will generate it. Okay, now which of the following can be used to give a multiple comment in Python? Triple quote. Second is the triple quote. So 23. Okay, so and third one is doc string also right. So second and third will be right. Now question number 24. Nina wants to write the content of a string my poem into a binary poem. Which of the following code will do with needful? So question number 24. So with open, that is right. Needful. One is needful because dump is here. Okay, so second mode we cannot write wrong. Sorry. Equally. I am just over. Okay, so mode WB we can also write WB plus edge object, load not possible, and load not. So we are using dump. Okay, so answer is that D, 1 and 2. Now question number 25. Which of the following operations cannot be performed on a directory? So directory which of cannot be performed as following functions. So indexing and slicing we cannot perform. Thank you, have a nice day. Please, if you like that, just subscribe and share my channel. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.